Hello grade 9. Today is Tuesday, March 17, 2020. In this session, I will introduce the cause and effect essay. Today's objective is that students will be able to write an outline of a cause and effect essay sample. Please take notes on your copybook. When we talk about a cause essay, we are talking about what makes something happen. A synonym is reason. For example, why do people tend to overeat? This question requires you to think of reasons or causes for overeating. On the other hand, when we talk about an effect essay, we are talking about what happens as a result. For example, what happens as a result of overeating? This question focuses on the effects or consequences of overeating. When you write a cause and effect essay, you are going to write about the causes and the effects. Let's take a look at this topic a little more closely by brainstorming possible causes and effects for each question. Okay, let's take a look at the first question. What causes people to overeat? Here are some possible causes for overeating: stress, skipping meals, boredom. Now, to use these points in an essay, you will need to think of more details and examples to support each of these points in the body of an essay. Now let's take a look at the next question. What are the effects of overeating? We have obesity, health problems, and fatigue. All of these are possible consequences or effects of overeating. The two types of structure, block and chain, are shown below. There are two main ways to structure a cause and effect essay: a block or a chain structure. For the block structure, all of the causes are listed first and all of the effects are listed afterwards. For the chain structure, each cause is followed immediately by the effect. It is sometimes possible that the effect is the cause of the next effect, which is why the structure is called a chain. The cause and effect essay structure is commonly formulated at least as a 4-paragraph writing, but it might vary depending on the topic. Just like all essays, the cause and effect essay has an introduction, at least 2 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. So, the first part of our introduction is the hook, the sentence that grabs the reader's attention. Then, we have the background information. And last but not least, we have the thesis statement. Let's start with the introduction. The main purpose of the introduction is to inform the reader of the topic, giving necessary background if needed. The highlight of the introduction is to provide a relevant thesis statement explaining the cause and its effect, or vice versa. The thesis statement highlights the main point or the purpose of the essay in one sentence. It should include the topic, for example, overeating, and the controlling ideas, for example, causes and effects. Moving to the body, your 2 body paragraphs should contain your cause-effect relationship. The paragraphs could be causes, at least 3, or effects, at least 3. Your body paragraphs should start with a topic sentence, followed by plenty of details and examples about the causes or the effects. Here are some things to which you may pay particular attention. To begin with, try to make each paragraph the same length. Then, try to avoid weak or unconvincing causes. Moreover, you need to make sure that your causes are actually linked to their effects and vice versa. Finally, the conclusion has 2 parts. The highlight of the conclusion is to create an impact on the reader before fully concluding. So what we have to do here is to restate the thesis or summarize the main argument and write a concluding statement by giving opinion, solution, advice, recommendations. In this slide and in the one that follows, we will see the online structure of the types of cause and effect essays. Now, let's take a look at phrases that signify whether the paragraph is talking about a cause or an effect. In paragraphs in the body of an essay, these phrases are clues in determining if the focus is on causes or effects. For example, to show causes, you might see or use these words: give reasons why, explain why, what is the cause of, another factor, because, results from. To show effects, these phrases are some you may see or use: the results of, consequently, what is the impact of, one important effect, another result, outcome, or as a result. Here is a sample of a cause and effect essay about climate change. Read it carefully on this slide and the ones that follow. Then go to the last slide to check the assignment. Thank you and have a good day.